Hey everyone. Okay, so in my last video, I asked you what makeup influencers do that drives you mad, and the comments were feral. Oh, I love my crowd, I really do. So I want to do a little bit of a part 2 here, just for fun. Also, just a gentle reminder, if you do any of the things I'm talking about here, I'm really not judging you. Honestly, each to their own. Obviously I am. You're mental. Number 1, tiny microphone. Why are you holding it like this? You're holding it like you're accepting an Oscar. I don't understand it. Stop it. You're talking about makeup. Calm down. ASMR. Why are you whispering? You're having a nervous breakdown. You're mental. Stop it. Freaks. The finger flutter under the chin. Now, perhaps somebody out there can tell me, what does this mean? Who taught you this? Why are you doing it? Honestly, I do not understand it. It looks like you're trying to summon a ring light demon. Please stop. Thanks. Obsessed. Now, we hear this everywhere. Oh, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. You're not obsessed, okay? You're sponsored. Calling makeup products she. Oh my God, guys, she is so stunning. Okay, it's a concealer. It has no personality. It doesn't love you back, and it's not a she, okay? Turning the foundation upside down and then dripping it on your face. Why are you being mental? It doesn't look good, does it? You look like you're glazing a rotisserie chicken, you weirdo. Put it on the back of your hand like a normal person. Thanks. Using the word, I'm so nervous. Now, nervous about what? You're applying a blusher. You're not landing a plane. You might want to get a grip. Massive fuck off lashes. If your lashes touch your glasses, your lashes are now in charge of your life. At this point, you're no longer wearing lashes. You're wearing curtains. They don't look natural. They don't look good. You look like you're having a psychotic break. You might want to stop, okay? Thanks. So there you go. These that I mentioned here, these were the top comments in the video of people just behaving in a mentally ill manner on social media. We know why they do it. Yes, we all fall for it. We all watch it. But, oh, it drives me absolutely mad. Let me know in the comment section any more, because it is such fun. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, fucking hell. This is clean on. This is why you don't follow influencers, because they're mental. Subscribe, because somewhere a ring light goes out every time someone doesn't.